Alright, today I'm going to show you how to fix a laser burned CD. As you can see right here, there's a laser burn around it. And I'm going to show you how to fix it. The first thing you're going to need is, let me get it, hold on. Okay, so now what you're going to do is get your screwdriver and just start jabbing the crap out of it. As you can see now, there's bumps that come out the side now. See, next thing you're gonna need is a remote. It should work now, just maybe a few more times. Alright, one more thing you're going to need is a pair of pliers with a knife on it. Of course, put the CD over. Hold it down. Now, just stretch it a few times. And, let's go see, put toothpaste on this one, huh? Let's see, what else? Get some tools out. There you go. Now it should work, guys. Slap this in your CD drive.